Designer shoes aren't just shoes. They're investments, works of art, and let's be honest, emotional support accessories. Whether you've splurged on Louboutins, Jimmy Choos, or a sleek Manolo, keeping them flawless isn't just about cleaning. It's about caring too. Bookmark this video because we're diving into all the juicy details of how to maintain your designer shoes, from smart storage to secret-saving products. Like, subscribe, and let's keep your soles stylish for years to come. Part 1. Cleaning. Let's talk about leather. Smooth, classic, and often the crown jewel of any luxury shoe collection. But like all great things, leather needs care. Let's walk through how to clean your leather shoes the right way, using trusted products that are loved by stylists, collectors, and high-heel connoisseurs worldwide. Step 1. Remove surface dirt and dust. What to use: Saphir horsehair brush, Rishu VN HR soft bristle brush, Amazon Basics microfiber cloths. Start with the basics. Give those shoes a gentle brush down to wipe away dirt and city sins. A horsehair brush is like a feather duster for fancy feet. If you're in a rush, a microfiber cloth does the trick. Think of it as your shoe's dry shampoo moment. Bonus tip: clean the tongue, seams, and around the sole with a toothbrush. The one for shoes, not your ex's. The details matter. Step 2. Deep clean with leather cleaner. What to use: Saphir leather cleaning lotion, gentle and nourishing. Chamberlain's leather milk cleaner, organic and easy to use. Apple brand leather cleaner, great for designer bags and shoes. Now that the surface is clean, it's time to go deeper. Apply a small amount of leather cleaner to a cloth. Not directly onto the shoe unless you're into panic attacks. Rub in small circular motions like you're giving the shoe a relaxing facial. Pro tip: always patch test on a hidden area first. Luxury leather can be as unpredictable as your Friday night plans. Step 3. Condition the leather. What to use: Saphir Renovateur, the Rolls-Royce of conditioners, Lexol leather conditioner, great value and gentle. Leather honey goes deep and stays soft. Conditioning is like feeding your shoes a green juice smoothie. It keeps them glowing, supple, and stress-free. Gently massage it in, let it soak, and your leather will love you for life. Use a little on your handbag, straps, or leather belts, because your accessories deserve love too. Step 4. Polish for that signature shine. Optional but fab. What to use: Saphir Médaille d'Or, Pomadier cream polish, Crème de la Crème, Kiwi shoe polish, classic and always reliable, Meltonian cream polish. Smooth like satin polishing is optional, but let's be honest, who doesn't love a little extra glow up? Apply a tiny amount with a soft cloth or dauber, buff with your horsehair brush, and boom, mirror shine. Out of brushes? Buff with an old pair of nylons or tights. Yes, your shoes will thank you, and so will your laundry drawer. And the best part? All these products are easily available online, from Amazon to the Hanger Project. So no excuses, your heels deserve the royal treatment. Suede. It's soft, sexy, and the drama queen of the shoe world. She's beautiful, high maintenance, and totally worth the effort, if you know how to treat her right. So if your suede heels have been through one too many dance floors or dusty sidewalks, don't panic. Here's how to clean them without ruining your day or your shoes. Step 1. Brush off the drama, aka surface dirt. What to use: suede brush, like Jason Mark, suede kit. Crepe rubber brush, old toothbrush. Clean, please. Your ex's doesn't count. Gently brush the surface to lift dirt and bring that suede nap back to life. Always brush in one direction. Why? Because suede has a grain, and brushing against it is like rubbing velvet the wrong way. It just feels wrong. Stuff your shoes with tissue paper while brushing to keep their shape. Suede loves structure. Step 2. Erase the evidence. Scuffs and stains. What to use: suede eraser, crepe rubber eraser, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, for emergencies only. Time to erase it like it never happened, like that one date you still regret. Use a suede eraser and gently rub the spot. No pressure. Literally, suede isn't your gym workout. Be gentle. Still stubborn? A tiny dab of white vinegar on a cloth works for water stains. Blot, don't rub, and let it air dry. Science and sass, people. Step 3. Deep clean, if they've been through it. What to use? Saphir Omni Nettoyant Suede Cleaner. Kiwi Suede Cleaner. Risho EVA Suede Kit Spritz the cleaner lightly, then work it in with a soft brush. Don't soak the shoe. This isn't a bubble bath. It's more of a luxury facial. Let them air dry naturally, away from sunlight or heat, because suede does not like drama from radiators. Step 4. Restore and protect what to use. Jason Mark. Repel Spray, Crepe Protect Spray, Scotchgard Suede, and Nubuck Protector. Once they're dry, spritz on a suede protector like you're giving them a shield against the world. This step helps repel stains, water, and life. Let it dry completely before wearing, and boom, they're back in new shoe territory. Napped out? Bring suede back to life by holding it over light steam for a few seconds, like from a kettle, not a sauna. Then brush gently. Don't mix suede with rain. If the forecast says stormy, your suede heels deserve the day off. Storage matters. Keep suede heels in dust bags or soft fabric pouches. And never, ever store them next to dirty shoes. They're way too classy for that. And there, your suede heels are reborn, revived, and ready to strut again. Cleaning suede isn't scary. It's just a little TLC with the right tools and some gentle vibes. Got a favorite pair that needs a glow up? Try this routine and tell us how it went. All right, your shoes are clean. Bathed, brushed, and basically purring. But like any high-maintenance pet, they need more than a quick rinse and a pat on the head. You don't just wash a poodle and let it sleep on the sidewalk, right? Now it's time for shoe maintenance. Feeding the leather, fluffing their egos, and tucking them in like the spoiled fashion pets they are. Let's go. Part 2. Maintenance Section 1. Always start with protection. Let's be honest. The best way to maintain your shoes is to prevent the drama before it begins. Use a water and stain repellent. For suede, Chut Nubuck, Jason Mark, Repel Spray, Saphir Invulner. For leather, Apple brand, Guard, Rain and Stain. Repellent. A few spritzes of these products create a protective barrier, shielding your precious shoes from rain, spills, and random street stains. Apply before your first wear and reapply every 3 to 5 wears. Think of it as SPF for your shoes. Section 2. Regular cleaning equals long-term love. Even if you're not wearing them daily, designer shoes still collect dust, body oils, and the occasional coffee betrayal. Weekly refresh. Soft horsehair brush for leather, suede brush for suede, microfiber cloth for everything, leather cleaner and conditioner, monthly. Gently brush or wipe down your shoes once a week, even if they've just been sitting pretty. If leather looks thirsty or dull, condition it monthly with products like Saphir Renovateur or Leather Honey. Emergency tip. Got a mystery scuff or sticky patch? Use micellar water on a cotton pad. It's gentle, effective, and yes, the same one you use on your face. Section 3. Storing designer shoes the right way. How you store your shoes can either preserve their beauty or turn them into collapsed, dusty regret. Must-haves. Cedar shoe trees for pumps, boots, and loafers. Silica gel packets. They keep moisture away. Cotton or felt dust bags. Never plastic. Stackable clear shoe boxes, drop front style for display lovers. Shoe trees are non-negotiable. They maintain shape, absorb odor and moisture, and prevent creasing, especially in pointed toes and stilettos. And those dust bags? Use them. They protect from light, scratches, and surprise closet dust bunnies. Section 4. Avoid these designer shoe sins. Even the fanciest shoe can't save you if you're committing fashion crimes. Here's what not to do. No plastic containers without ventilation. Don't stack heels on top of each other. Scratches, yikes. Never toss them in your gym bag without protection. Don't let wet shoes dry near direct heat. Bye-bye leather. And for the love of Louboutins, never wear your suede pumps in the rain. You wouldn't take a silk dress into a thunderstorm, right? Section 5. Give your shoes a pro touch. If you really love your designer heels, send them to a spa now and then, aka your local cobbler or shoe care specialist. Services to consider. Sole protection. Red bottoms, anyone? toe caps and heel tips replacement, color restoration or re-dyeing, sole re-glue for peeling. Adding a rubber sole protector can extend the life of your shoes dramatically, especially those iconic red soles that start fading after 3 sidewalk selfies. Bonus tips for the extra luxe crowd. Rotate your shoes. Don't wear the same pair 2 days in a row. Keep a travel shoe bag in your tote for changing out heels. Take photos of your collection for insurance. Yes, seriously. Create a rainy day shoe backup so your Valentinos stay dry and drama-free. There you have it. Everything you need to know to maintain your designer shoes and keep them walking strong for years to come. Which pair in your collection gets the VIP treatment? Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and keep your heels high and your standards even higher. Until next time, stay polished.